To begin to solve this equation, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our denominators here and find a lowest common denominator. So we're going to run our prime number approach for 4, 8, and 6. We're going to start with a prime number of 2. 2 goes into 4 twice, goes into 8 4 times, goes into 6 3 times. Try 2 again. We get 1, 2, and 3. 2 one more time. 1, 1, and 3. And we're going to go to 3 and 1, 1, and 1. And our lowest common denominator in this case will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which will give us a lowest common denominator of 24. Next, we're going to take the 24 and we're going to multiply it by every term that's in our equation here. 4 goes into 24 6 times 3, which will give us 18. 8 goes into 24 3 times, multiplied by a negative x will give us negative 3x. 6 goes into 24 4 times, and that will give us a negative 4x plus 2. And then we can't forget to multiply on the other side of the equation by our lowest common denominator, which will also give us 24. Now we have some additional simplification to do here. So we're going to take our monomial of minus 4 and multiply it by everything in the bracket. Minus 4x minus 8 is equal to 24. We're going to clean this up by putting our x's together, so negative 6x. And then our constants, 18 minus 8, will give us plus 10 is equal to 24. Now we're going to solve for our value of x here, and we're going to do that by subtracting 10 from each side. So negative 7x plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 24 minus 10. And don't forget, what we do to one side, we do to the other. That helps us to eliminate, so we just have our variable on one side. Negative 7x is equal to 14. And then we're going to divide negative 7 on both sides. And that's going to give us a solution of x is equal to negative 2. Now, to substitute that back in, we don't have to go up to that original equation again. Let's go to the simplified version after we eliminated the fraction. So we have negative 7x minus 2 plus 10 is equal to 24. That gives us 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. 24 is equal to 24. We have verified that x is equal to negative 2. That is our solution.